Nice to meet you all. Today, for those of you who are using Binance for the first time, we are going to go through how to sign up using the app step by step. I'll explain it very easily, so just follow along slowly. First, let's take a look at how to create a Binance account. First, install the Binance app on your phone. Once the installation is complete, please open the Binance app. When the app opens, press the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. Then the Sign Up screen will appear. Enter your email address or phone number to create your account. Next, check the box for the terms below, and press the Continue button. After that, complete the email or phone verification. Then create your password. Your password must include at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and number, and must be at least 8 characters long. Next, you will move on to the inviter registration step. If you do not enter the inviter at this stage, you will not be able to add it after signing up, so make sure to complete the registration at this stage. If you press the Yes button on the screen, you will be able to enter the referral ID. In the referral ID field, please enter BB333. If you enter this code, you can receive a 20% Binance fee discount and various bonus benefits, so I recommend that you make sure to enter it before completing your sign-up. Second, let's look at how to complete KYC verification. In order to start depositing, withdrawing, and trading on Binance, you must complete KYC verification. First, select the document issuing country. Then select an ID document for identity verification. From the document type list below, please choose one type of ID that can be verified. I will verify using a passport. Please prepare your ID and press Take Pictures. When the camera starts, place the information page of your passport inside the frame on the screen, and take a clear photo without any light reflection. Next, the facial verification process will begin. Place your face inside the frame on the screen, and follow a few actions, such as nodding your head or blinking your eyes. Once you complete all of these steps, your KYC verification application will be submitted. Usually, KYC verification review takes about 1 hour. After the review is completed, your account status will change to verified, and you will be able to see that the KYC verification has been completed. Third, let's look at how to set up two-factor security. Because your Binance account is directly connected to your assets, security settings are very important. In particular, the two-factor security setup method using Google Authenticator, which I will show you in today's video, is one of the strongest security methods, so I highly recommend setting it up. First, go to the Binance home screen. Press the Binance icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then press the arrow in the upper right corner. Next, select the security menu. Here, select the Authenticator app option. Press the Enable button to activate it. Complete the email or phone verification. Once the verification is complete, you will see the Authenticator link screen. Here, Binance's 16-digit key will be displayed. Please copy this 16-digit key. Now install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Once the installation is complete, please open the app. Then press the plus button in the lower right corner of the app screen. And select the Enter a Setup Key option. In code name, enter Binance. And in your key, paste the 16-digit key you copied from the Binance app. Then press the Add button. Then, in the Google Authenticator app, a 6-digit code for your Binance account will be generated. This 6-digit code is regenerated every 60 seconds, so please check it carefully. After that, go back to the Binance app and press the Next button below. Now, in the Authenticator app code field, enter the 6-digit code generated in the Google Authenticator app. Then the Google Authenticator security setup will be completed successfully. Today, for those of you who are using Binance for the first time, we went through how to sign up using the app step by step. If you have any questions during the sign up or verification process, please feel free to leave a comment. If today's video was helpful to you, I would appreciate it if you press subscribe and like. See you again in the next video.